morning, YouTube. Super excited this morning. It's not every day you have a chance to go and help with a plane recovery. Yes, actually recovering an airplane that crashed into a mountainside. So we'll see what kind of footage I get. Hopefully I'll have enough battery life to get it. It's a hour and a half hike each way. I don't think I'll be filming much of that. Want to focus more on the going in, strapping the plane, and the actual helicopter lift of the salvage. So this should be exciting. We'll see how much I'm able to get. The only downside to this whole trip is the 3-hour drive each way. Told the location of the plane is up there. We're heading up the mountain. Check out these views. Don't know if you can see this behind me. That's the view of what we're hiking up through.
He's going to photograph the whole thing. Oh, wow. From here.
So you guys just volunteers, or are you some organization?
No, we're just volunteers helping him out.
Okay.
Personally, I wouldn't have parked it that running.
There it is. So a few weeks ago, a pilot was flying this out here, and due to some conditions came into the trees. Actually crashed up there on the top, and then over time the plane slid. Now the pilot's fine. He's actually with us here today. But there's your plane. Check it out. We've got a plane over here. And to get there, it had to slide all the way down this face. Now, to give you a sense of how steep it is, this is being held at level. And it had to come down that. So we're probably looking at a 45-degree incline. So you got a plane going into the ground. Strap the wings. And those little floaties are actually pool floats, intended to keep the wind from generating lift. So again, this is level, and then you've got the plane. And we got it all roped up so that it doesn't come down on someone who's actually walking in front of it. But it could have very easily come down, made that turn just because that's the natural flow, and gone down another. What we're waiting for is this fog to burn off so that we can have a helicopter come in and lift this thing out. We're not sure when that's going to happen. We've been standing up here for about an hour, been on site for about 3, after about an hour and a half hike in. So hopefully sometime soon the fog will burn off. We can get the helicopter in. The most exciting thing about taking the hike in and trying to get the plane out was just seeing what a plane can go through. Having a chance to talk with the pilot who put it down, seeing how little damage relatively occurred on the plane. All right, so here's the other side. Get up this snowpack. So to walk up, you have to kick your feet in, step up. Lots of sliding. Looks like the plane came over this and it slid down and nosedived. Only thing that probably kept it up was a prop. If that hadn't been there, there's nothing stopping it. Not only did the plane fall from the sky and land on a snowpack, but then it slid down 100 yards, dropped over a little embankment, and it's really telling about how much work goes into these planes, how sturdy they are, even though they feel like they're just lightweight, flimsy aluminum. So hopefully the cloud cover clears here pretty quick. Because if it doesn't, we can't fly it out. Someone's got to come back up in the next couple of days. Checking the weather the day of the big adventure, the big expedition to get the plane. Look at the weather report. It says it's going to be about 60 degrees. Really hard to tell what you're getting yourself into. We get up there, the sun's out, it's beautiful. Everyone's hiking up in t-shirts. One of the guys is wearing shorts. So we pack in the things, think it's going to be a good day. We get up to the top, sun's out, everyone's actually a little bit warm. Go down on the other side, and you're hiking through about 3 or 4 feet of snow. Walking down, best to dig your heels in, otherwise you're going to end up doing a little bit of skiing down. 2 hours later, we're socked in, fog's thick, can't see anything, and it's probably high 30s. And that's how we sat for a couple hours. You can see the snow, see how thick the fog is. Obviously can't get a helicopter in for that. Hard to believe. It's almost June.
There's still fog on the perimeters and overhead.
So we had a brief minute of fog clearing, but then it all came back in, so the helicopter pilot had to abort, had to get back down. and we're hiking out. Someone's going to come back in and pick up the plane. Temp dropped a little bit also, so don't know if you can see it, but that's the visibility. There's no way a helo pilot can get in here. That is nuts. There's nothing you can do about that.